Welcome to Alex 3D Works. Today, I'll show you how to control the speed of a DC motor using an Arduino Nano, a potentiometer, and the L298N motor driver. First, the result. As I turn the potentiometer, the motor speed changes smoothly in real time. Here's what you need: an Arduino Nano, a DC motor, an L298N driver, a 10-kilo potentiometer, a breadboard, jumper wires, and an external battery pack. Now the wiring. This is important. The potentiometer goes to the Arduino, one side to 5 volts, the other side to ground, and the middle pin to analog pin A0. The Arduino controls the L298N with 3 wires. ENA goes to D9, which is a PWM pin for speed control. IN1 goes to D8, and IN2 goes to D7 for direction. And very important, Arduino ground and L298N ground must be connected together. Common ground. Power setup. The battery connects to the L298N VIN and GND, and the motor is connected only to the L298N outputs, OUT1 and OUT2. The motor is never connected directly to the battery. How the code works. The Arduino reads the potentiometer on A0, maps the value to a PWM signal from 0 to 255, and sends it to ENA. That PWM controls the motor speed. You can download the full wiring diagram and code from my website, alex3dworks.com. Link in the description. And that's it. Turn the knob and you control the motor speed. If you're learning Arduino and robotics, subscribe for the next tutorial.